All right, what's going on, guys? T Torres back here for another video. So in today's video, we're going to be taking the CRF 300 rally on some trail riding. We got a little bit of soft sand, some brush, some trees we got across. But if you're new here, this is my new to me 2023 Honda Rally CRF 300. And if you haven't seen in the last video, we did the Yoshimura exhaust, and then we have a lot of other goodies coming as well. We have the 550 Performance. All his mods are in, and we're just waiting on the big bore kit. So first things first, turn the ABS off and let's go for a ride. Oh yeah. Damn. I sometimes hate how soft the sand is here. And if the audio seems a little loud, I don't have a windscreen on today. I decided to take it off, and I don't think this is the trail that I wanted to come on. We want to be on the other side. Oi. Try this again. So these videos are obviously going to be a lot longer than your typical install videos that I do. But if you don't know already, the Barber small bore event is coming 31st of May through June 2nd. I will be there along with my friends, and I'll probably have 4 or 5 of my bikes there. Since this is technically considered a small bore, I want to do their woods course races. They have a lot of good trail riding that they had opened up last year, so hopefully this year they have it opened up as well. Is this the same? I don't know. I just put my order in for the Insta X4. I'm super excited because it can tether from your Cardo to the microphone that you have from the Cardo. So that's going to mean the audio quality should be a lot better, and me not having to worry about having a lav mic inside my helmet when I already have the boom mic from my Insta, or from my my GoPro, or from the Cardo system, I should say. So I've stuck with GoPro for, God, I've had GoPro since Hero 3 Black Edition, I think. And I think I'm going to switch to the, I think I'm going all Insta. I'm going to get the Insta 360 Ace Pro camera. So I'm selling my GoPro Hero 9 with the media mod, which is what I'm using right now to film on. So if you're interested, $250. Pay shipping and she's yours. There's so many good trails out here. I need to look online and figure out some other trails to go on. I just hate how some areas the sand is just extremely freaking soft here, and it's no fun battling that. And I got some actual adventure foot pegs that are in, a taller windscreen. What else did I get? Oh, and I got a bigger clutch lever. The clutch lever on this bike, I just feel like it's too small for your foot. So just as soon as the big bore kits, the 301 big bore kits, come back in stock from 550 Performance, this bike is going to be going under the knife. And I think, if I remember correctly, with his ECU flash, we should be able to make 34 horsepower. See right up here, this sand right here is just so soft. Bike just wants to freaking sink down. And I'm like a 6'1" guy, 200. I'm right at like 200 pounds, and we gotta get a better rear shock. think it's too squishy mushy. So if you have a 300 and you're rocking an upgraded rear shock, please leave a comment down below and let me know what you're rocking. I've seen some on the forums. I may try Hyper Pro or something G concept. I don't remember them all, but one that's relatively priced. But this factory one is way too soft. And I may end up doing some upgraded forks too. Boy. And I need to get some better, like, actual motocross boots. The ones that I have are like full Gore-Tex, you know, with a reinforced toe and stuff. But if I'm gonna be out here playing in the woods and crap, I don't want nothing coming through my foot. I don't know if y'all seen that video of that guy riding and a branch or a tree limb goes through his entire foot. I think he was on like a KTM enduro bike. I don't want that happening. So plus, if I start going to some OHV parks, I want to be protected. Oi. I love the way this freaking bike sounds with the full Yosh stainless steel exhaust. It really picks up around the mid-range of the bike, and not to mention it weighs so much less than the factory garbage. That thing is going in the garbage this afternoon. Our trash pickup is tomorrow. Beautiful day here in Florida. I don't know what happened overnight or this morning. It was raining and it pushed us back down into the 70s, like 70, 71 degrees, and it was 80 something yesterday. It was hot. The humidity was through the roof. I gotta find me some buddies that got bikes that they can come out here and ride. When in doubt, throttle it out. Alright, let's get over to the right side over here without falling over. Alright, we're gonna go left. I think I'm gonna take my Monkey. I'm gonna take obviously the CRF 300 and then my Trail 125 and maybe my Grom to Barber Small Bore. There's a few events I want to put a bike in. Drag races, we'll probably do the Grom. We'll have the Trail 125 there for trail riding. It's currently getting a 181 from the speed shop. The Grom's getting a little something spicy too. I just haven't mentioned it to anybody. She's gonna make some power. We like billet parts, let's just say that. Billet and polished parts. Alright, this should take us back to the main road. anybody watching this has the Insta360 Ace or Ace Pro, leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. My neighbor's got one and he makes riding content as well for trail riding, and he absolutely loves it. When he told me that you could connect and mesh your camera to your Cardo mic, I was like, that's game over. I gotta have one. And then of course I had just bought the Insta360 X3, kid you not, like a week ago, and then they just announced last week the X4, of course, that shoots in 8K and it has voice commands and it connects to your Cardo. I'm like, so we got one. We ordered it today, so hopefully it should be here this week. It says it has like 2-day shipping. All right, we're back to the main road. Okay, that is gonna do it for today's video. So if you are new here, please make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, leave this video a big like, and we have a lot, I'm talking a lot more content to film with this rally. I absolutely love this bike. But anyways, enough of me rambling on. Hope you guys enjoyed the riding content. Peace.